Hi, I'm Wayne. In this video, we're going to learn how to use our employee master feature, change company. Right. When we want to use this feature, this one is for you to move your employee from company A to company B, okay, with their employee profile details. So this is the feature that can reduce your job. All right, you no need to repeat enter employee data in a new company, right? So, but keep in mind, this feature is provided for those, okay, have multi-company in a single database. Right? It's not going to work, okay, if you say you have multi-database for multi-company. So you want to move from this database to another databases? All right, no, you cannot. All right, this one is only work for multi-companies in a single database. Okay, so let's begin. All right, first, how you're going to find this change company? Right. You have to access to employee profile, all right, the employee master, and then you open the employee. Right. Then you will find in your employee profile, all right, once you open the employee, you will find on the right left upper corner, in the left upper corner, there is one option, edit. So you click on the edit menu, then you will see change company feature there. So you click on the change company, then system will pop up a screen for you. Right. Once you click on it, right. So there is a change company screen. First thing, you have to enter a new employee number. Has to be a new employee number. Why? Because we use employee number as a unique key. So throughout the data, throughout in the database, all right, no matter how many company you have, each company employee must have their unique employee number. Okay, throughout the all companies. So when you have a one employee number, which is called S001, all right, so you make sure this number does not exist in other company, all right, so has to be unique in this database. So first enter the employee number, and then after that choose which company that you want to move this employee to the company. All right, so from this current company to a new company, you had to choose the company, okay, on the list, and then you enter the new hire date, all right, the join date to the new company. All right, so what system actually want to know this? All right, because system will add a new hire record for you, and also will put the resign record to the current employee. All right, so the old employee, what we call the old employee number, will have a resign record. All right, the one day before the new hire date to the new company. Right. Then after that is an option for you. You want to add confirm date or not. So if you want to add confirm date, that means straight away this employee will get confirmed. All right, you will skip the probation period. No need to serve the probation period. So directly be confirmed. If you untick, then system will not do anything for this employee. So only will have one record called the hire record. All right. Then after that, there are additional information, okay, will be moved as well. Okay, the annual leave, all right, the detail of this, and then make sure you make a tick, okay, in the sixth step, okay, the step number 6. All right, you make sure you make a tick in here, all right, in select this update employee service history, then you click apply. So once you apply already, then you may check the result. Right. So from the existing employee, system will add a service record called, the service type is resign. It will add to the previous employee, the old employee number, what I mean, okay, the old company. And then a new employee number, which just now we enter the M001. Okay, we will carry all the service history from the old employee, right? The old hire date and the old confirmation date, increment, whatever the record we have, okay, with this old employee, all right, we will carry it to the new employee number, and then plus a new hire record as well, right? A new hire record, and then also confirmation. If you did, like just on the example we show you, right? Then there is a new confirm record as well. And in this screenshot, all right, okay, you may find the resign date is different, all right, okay? There is maybe is a case, all right, all right. So you don't worry, the resign date we will always is 1 day before the hire date, all right? In the old company, we will put the 1 day before, okay? Before you move to the new company. But some situation may happen. We allow you to change resign date. For example, this guy may have changed to the new company, okay, with this effective date, but at the same time, he maybe will stay for this old company, okay, for 2 weeks time for transferring tasks or something like that, right? So like that case, the resign date may not necessarily be this, 1 day before the new hire date, okay, in the new company. So they may happen, right? So we allow you to change. So once after you run this change company, you may move to the old company and change the resign date to a different date. It's up to you. All right, this is nothing wrong. Okay. So this is the screenshot. Right now, let us do demo to you how to use this feature change company. Right. On. Okay. So first thing, definitely you have to log into your system, and then you may choose the employee that you want to move. So for example, like you go to the employee master, and then you find the employee that you're going to move to the new company. Let's say for the example, this one. All right, we open it. We have to open it, open this record, and then, sorry, the system is loading it now. All right. So now the employee profile is open, and then you will find there is an edit menu here. You click on it, then there is a function, okay, or we call the feature change company. So you click on it, so you may enter a new company number, let's say. Okay, 02. Right. Then after that, you may change it to company. Which company? There is if you have multi-company there, you may choose from the list, right? On here. Let's say, for example, I change to this, and then it's starting from when? Let's say we can say starting from 1st of June, right? And then if I do not want to add the confirm date, yeah, I may remove the date. Okay, but by default, we actually have a date here. So we will auto add the confirm date. And then there is a sum record for you, right? And then after that, we may click apply. So now the system will come with an alert, okay? It will say to you, okay, the company is done, all right, to change to this company and with a new employee number, but others will not move, okay? For example, like all codes of fixed allowance or benefit income will not move to the new employee. So why we would want to move it? Because allowance maybe is based on the company policy. So new company may not have this allowance anymore, right? So we actually not going to move all this allowance or deduction benefit impact. That one you have to add in again. If you say you have some allowance need to pay, okay, for him under the new company, and you may close it. So once we come back here again, when we refresh it, all right, there is a additional record there. When we move back to the old company, the old employee, you may find the record is resigned, and then under the service history, the service record is resigned, all right, on the day before the new hire date. And then the old company is done. Okay, then the new company, okay, with a new employee number, there is a record with a new hire date, right? Yeah. We also will keep the old service history to this new employee number. That's it. So I hope this video can help you. All right. Thank you everyone to attend this and watch this video. Thank you.